In front of me is NOKIA 1.4, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this device. So first of all, open the messages, go to new chat, and as you can see here we've got English included. Whenever you wish to change it, tap on settings icon, select languages, pick add keyboard, and just select the language that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is super long, so you will definitely find something suitable. I believe all languages are included here, and let me pick Hebrew. Then let's remove unnecessary language. Let's go back, and as you can see from now on, now you've got this brand new keyboard dictionary added. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.